Ué. Oh my God!
8 bananas, 180 grams of white chocolate, 1 spoon of vegetable oil, 8 popsicle sticks, 10 grams chocolate drops.
The jack-o'-lantern.
To start off the recipe, cut 1/4 of the banana. Mix oil and the white chocolate in a bowl. Put the mix in the microwave every 15 seconds till it melts. Now we put the popsicle sticks in the lower part of the bananas. Then we'll dip the banana in the mix of chocolate and vegetable oil. For the last part of the recipe, you must put the chocolate drops, forming the eyes of the Ghostnana. Leave it into the refrigerator for a couple hours and it's ready to eat.